Hey everybody, I thought it'd be a good idea to take a look at how you can master matrix addition and subtraction. Very straightforward. This is gonna be a quick video. How can you add these two matrices, A plus B, to get a resulting matrix C? So what we're gonna do here is we'll have A plus B, and really what you do is straightforward. You just look at each value in like the same kind of corresponding box of the matrix, and you just add it. So this would be 4 plus 1. This box, this slot would be 7 plus 3. This part would be 2 plus 6. This part would be 5 plus 2. I have our matrix. So it's still a 2 by 2 matrix. We're literally just adding this plus this, this plus this, this plus this, and you guessed it, this plus this. So just to make sure I got all my numbers, I'm going to erase it just because I want to make sure I didn't lead you guys astray. Yep, we look all good. 7 plus 3, yep. And then now we're just going to do some arithmetic. So 5, 10, 8, and 7. Okay, same thing for subtraction, and also it doesn't really matter the dimensions. I did 2 by 2 here, now we're going to do a 3 by 3 with subtraction. Let's do red, red is fun. A minus B, we will do 5 minus 3, we will do 5 minus 2, follow along with me, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 5, 7 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 4 minus 1, 9 minus 6, 1 minus 3, all in a matrix. Remember, we don't do anything in terms of combining for subtraction. We just look at each corresponding. So this is row 1, column 1. This is in the first row, column 2. So each has to correspond with its own same dimension part in the other. That's where we'll get the following. It'll be 5. I'm just subtracting, nothing trickery, no trickery going on here. Negative 3, 2 minus 5 is negative 3, 7 minus 4 is 3, 4, 3, 3, negative 1. If I made an arithmetic mistake, that's my bad. But this is really all it is. This is how you do matrix subtraction. You take each part, subtract it by the other part. I'm sorry, I keep on repeating it, but I just want to make sure it makes sense. And yeah, that's really all it is. So I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.